Kenyan people started fighting their MPs, the senators. Good number of them have fled. Now, if it happened in Nigeria, I'm telling you, your motorcade can never cross. Your aircraft that flies can never fly again. It will not have wings to fly. Please, whatever you are going to do to quell this situation that is coming up like a smoke, in order to engulf all of you, please quench it now. The people of Niger Delta have been telling you people to leave Nnamdi Kanu. They are going to shut the oil well. You people are not listening. Attorney General of the Federation, the people are saying that Nnamdi Kanu should be released, but it looks as if it's a water poured on a stone. For the sake of your good, your family, the entire village and the entire Nigeria, do justice. Do justice. Follow instruction so that Nigeria will be well again. If what is coming down like a rain will form to become a flood, it will carry everybody. I'm telling you. It will carry everybody, and it will not carry the innocent. Anybody that caused the bee to fly, let him punch on it, on his head. Let me tell you, Nigerians have reached, the water have gotten them to their neck. No way to remove the water again than to splash it. That is how they will remove it from their water. And they do it like that. Pepper may follow it. Many intoxicating things and acidic things will come out. Don't let this rain fall. Don't let this rain fall. That is me for you. This is Wonderful Love, where we proclaim love and disseminate love. Let love be for everyone who wants peace. And anyone who said that they will not like peace in this life, let him hawk transformer. Because the mouthpiece of the God must speak. And the God is still speaking from his mouth. God bless all of you till next time.